Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eisen Tools. Today we are going to be exploring Taplio.com. We'll break down its features and find out whether it's worth your time. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one.
Taplio is a tool that helps you grow your personal brand and audience on LinkedIn. If you want to post better content, get more engagement, and save time, this is for you. When you open the site, you'll see that Taplio uses AI to help you write great LinkedIn posts. You can get ideas, generate posts, and even improve the ones you already wrote. It's like having a LinkedIn writing assistant that knows what works best. Let's scroll down a bit. Tapio also has a huge library of viral LinkedIn posts. You can search by topic or creator and get inspired by what's already performing well. This makes it much easier to come up with your own post ideas. Another awesome feature is scheduling. You can plan your posts for the whole week or month, and Taplio will automatically publish them at the best times. No more worrying about posting manually every day. Taglio also tracks your results. You can see how your posts perform, how your audience grows, and what type of content brings the most engagement. These analytics help you understand what works so you can keep improving. If you like engaging with others, Tapio has tools that show you the best people to interact with and the top posts in your network. It even has a Chrome extension that lets you use all these features while browsing LinkedIn. Now, what's great is that you can try all of this right away. Taplio gives you a free 7-day trial so you can explore every feature yourself. After the trial, there are a few simple plans depending on how deep you want to go, from creating posts and scheduling to full analytics and engagement tools. Overall, Tapio is a great all-in-one platform for anyone who wants to build a strong LinkedIn presence faster and smarter. So if you want to save time, post better, and grow your LinkedIn audience, go check out Taplio and give it a try.
And see you soon. Peace out.